$1,344 from only one freaking bet. Okay, what do we have? What do we have? Euro and New Zealand dollars, and we are going for short right now because you can see that we broke below the Kettlers midline, and Williams shows more downside potential, more rather than an upside. So we're trying to give him a short signal. No reason due to which I shouldn't be going for short. So I'm going for it. Here we go. The first one is here. I'm quite happy because it was kind of slippery and I could have lost it, but all right, fine. Okay, going 50 right now with Canadian, Japanese yen. Going for long rise here. So you can see that we bounced from the support zone at 100, like approximately 101.300 upwards, and I expect approaching and breaking out above the super trend line, as well as oscillator supposed growth. So why not? As soon as I said why not, I just, you know. Okay, $96 of profit here. $92% of profit. Let me put all in. I don't know, I feel like it. Now we're going for short, guys, because apparently you can see that we expect move down toward the Kettlers midline with possible breakout below, and super trend and Williams are both signaling for short sell signal. That one is pretty much obvious, to be honest, for me. Okay, $217. Okay, Australian and New Zealand dollars here. Okay, let me go with 160, and apparently going for short, guys, because let me place a bet. You can see that we are having strong bullish setup right there. Hammer candlestick plus large bullish bar plus Williams saw show upside potential. Super trend also giving me signal for growth. So there you go. Here we go. So by telling signal for growth, I mean downside. We are going downside. Let me fix the camera quick. There you go. I just got, you know, level on the camera, so when it's not perfect, it just appears on the screen, and I'm like, you know, altering that. Oh my god, like, I want to eat that cake, but as soon as I make the bet, just stop talking and I'll forget about the cake, then coming back to the trade, and it's only like 13 seconds left. And we are winning. Good. Australian and United States dollars here. I'm going all in, I believe. Yeah, let's max it out. I'm kind of confident about this one. Going for long because we broke the Kettlers midline upwards, and we kind of growing, and the recent candle got a long tail, as well as super trend gave a spot signal confirming strong bullish trend right now. So why wouldn't I go for it? It's 40 seconds left and I want to just rip that cake. Guys, I do really apologize for the view, but I'm sorry for the ones who are hungry right now, but I just want to eat so freaking bad. $699. Great, 99.99. Ooh. Okay, let me put 500. Obvious. Hopefully you get that we are having very strong bearish trend. Price keeps moving lower. Super trend supports downtrend, and we do not have the oversold signal yet. Why wouldn't I go for that? Why wouldn't I? Why wouldn't I? Why wouldn't I? $960 right there, just freaking right there. I'm going 700 right here. I believe that's gonna be realistic, and just going for freaking long, guys. You can see that we are having strong uptrend right now, breaking above the Captain Smith line. Super trend also confirms the buy signal. Why wouldn't I go for that? Guys, in the meantime, during this bet, I just wanna, you know, remind you again and inform you one more time about the Telegram VIP group of mine, which is very much clear and obvious for the traders, who are the people that are already in the game, I would say, in the trading game, and they know what to do, and they know what is quality and what is trash. So you are getting into the Telegram channel, and you are getting the information that costs, I don't know, some billions right there, and I'm giving away that for absolutely free. You're not paying a penny, not paying a thing. I'm getting $1,344 from only one freaking bet, and eventually they got $1,803 from $35, which is really quite impressive, I believe. So I felt. So thank you for watching. Thank you for staying with me. Very much appreciated, guys. Love you. Thank you. Have a great one. Cheers. Keep boy. Subscribe. Follow. Telegram. Link in the description below. Oh my god, I ruined that. I'm sorry.